Would you like to learn how you can make $40 in less than a minute by just doing basic tasks with your phone or tablet? Yes? Then you've reached the right place. When you use this strategy once, you can make $40. 10 times, you can earn $400. And 100 times, you can earn $4,000. No limits to today's technique, where it means you can do it 100 times to make ridiculous amounts of money each time. We're going to share 3 new websites. These websites are going to make us our $4,000 on a consistent basis. The payment method is extremely convenient and simple. You get to choose how and when you want to be compensated, and they'll compensate you right away. Today's method is generally free because that's what's significant to us. And it is available globally, so no matter where you will be, you can participate in today's method and create $4,000. Don't panic if you're a newbie. Our technique for today is indeed very beginner-friendly, so you won't need any expertise or previous experiences to finish today's procedure. We're going to have a walkthrough on today's entire process from beginning to end, so make sure to give your full attention. Make sure you watch this full video so you would not get confused regarding today's technique, and make sure you don't fast forward so you don't miss a single piece of information, because when you do, possibilities are you won't get all the intended results. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. For our first website that we'd like to share with you today, it's called Picoworkers.com. We're going to be the freelancers in this. And also what we'll do as freelancers is take surveys, write honest reviews, test apps, and write articles. Picoworkers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses that need other people to help them support their work come to Picoworkers. Here, they can hire more workers for simple and quick jobs. They also recognize cryptocurrency and make payments in crypto. It works like this. You select a desired job, complete tasks, explore tasks required, and submit required proofs. Then you're going to deliver the work and then you get paid. So that is how Picoworker actually works. They are simple to complete and take little time. There are jobs like taking surveys, categorizing images, helping promote content, and many more. Get credited immediately after the task is reviewed, and you won't even have to wait a month or even more just to get payout. You can see proof of payment of someone who has now made a profit with Picoworkers.com. You can also partner up by posting your referral link on blog posts, internet sites, forums, social media platforms, or writing a Picoworker review. So if you refer clients or freelancers and receive a commission for every referral, you will earn 5% of the commission. So now we've progressed over the website, you'll need to create an account in order to start earning money. Right here, simply click on this green sign up button in the upper right corner, which should take you in this, and afterward complete all of the required information. You now have an account and can finally begin earning money. Earnably is the name of our next website. As you can see written here, digital rewards and gift cards are made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's really that simple. They reward their members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. Then as proof, you'll find their point-based system and also how much money you can earn from this. Immediate rewards that you can exchange your points for cash or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. There's something for everyone. We accept cash, gift cards, wallet codes, and a variety of other payment methods. There's Best Buy, PayPal, Airbnb, Dunkin' Donuts, Facebook, and plenty of other options. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Invite friends and earn more. Share your unique referral code with your friends, relatives, and followers to receive 10% of their own profits for life. We do have feedback and verification that individuals are indeed generating and already have managed to earn actual money with using Earnably. There are approximately 945 reviews on Trustpilot, indicating that a large number of people have used this website and that it is undoubtedly beneficial to them. Then you'll have to sign up, and by doing so, simply click on sign up, and once you do, you'll be taken to this page, where you'll fill out all of the required information. And they'll need your email address, username, password, and mobile number. And you'll need to accept the terms and conditions so that you can sign up. Once everything is done, you'll have an account and can immediately begin making money. Okay, so let's move on to our final website, streetbees.com. So this is how their website must appear. As you can see, what's on here says to become a bee. Got a spare few minutes? Fancy earning cash rewards for answering questions about what you're up to? Download the Street Bees app and become a bee today. We're buzzing to have you. Now, what is Street Bees? Street Bees is a mobile app that helps brands truly understand their customers by utilizing the stories, photos, and videos they share with us. We give brands real-time insight into how their products are perceived and used by their customers. The Street Bees system works as follows. First, you download the app, then create an account, and finally, you get paid. Simply, you'll be submitting random images to this website in exchange for money. You don't really have to be concerned regarding this website being shady because first and foremost, we don't want to expose you to questionable and unreliable websites. Second, this website has indeed formed alliances with some well-known figures. We have Mars, Unilever, Sony Pictures, Danone, PepsiCo, and many more. This simply proves that you can trust this website and that it is secure, so don't be concerned. It has also received some awards for excellence and has been a part of well-known organizations. Just be sure to check out all three of the websites we discussed with you today. With the Picoworkers, Earnably, and Street Bees, you'll be surprised at how quickly you'll be capable of earning those $4,000. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!